Hi there girls, Mr. Gilmore here, just coming at you with another one of our videos. Today we're going to be looking at presenting data. So I've been giving you a good bit of work over the last 2 days. I thought I'd make this video a bit more kind of lighter, a little bit more relaxed, okay? So this should be stuff you've already done before. If you haven't, it'll be a good kind of renewal to your memory. It is the 28th of the 4th, and what you need to know before we begin this class is how to read a table of data. So if you're given a little table with, data here, an X and a Y value and some data along it, that you're just able to read it and make sense of it, okay? That's all you need to know. What you will learn today, though, is how to create and use a line plot. I know some of you might have had some of this done with Mr. O'Leary, but for now, we'll just kind of review over it again, okay? So I'm going to do an example, and there's not many questions in the book, so I will just do this one example, and then I'll give you girls the 4 questions to do, and you can send them back to me, okay? So here's a kind of idea, okay? So in a school, the Leaving Cert results have just come out, so, it's always a bit wild when that happens. So what we did was we collected all the data about how many H1s, so that's the highest grade you can get in Leaving Cert subjects. So how many H1s students got, and formed a table of the data. Okay, so how many H1s, you can do 7, most people do about 7 to 8 subjects in Leaving Cert. So number of H1s, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. And then number of students. So 7 students got 0 H1s. 10 students in this class got 1 H1. 12 got 2 H1s. 20 got 3 H1s. 15 students got 4 H1s. That would be really, really good. 10 students got 5 H1s. So we know this is a really good school if that's happening. 4 got 6 H1s, and finally, one of the students got 7 H1s. Now, you don't even need to get 7 H1s. If you get 6 H1s and you do higher level maths, you've already gotten the highest marks you can get. So this person has kind of overkilled, but well done to them. So how would we represent this in what we call a line plot? Well, with a line plot, all we need to do is we just need to leave a little dot to indicate each instance of the thing happening. So we go, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we can see there's 7 of these here, these dots here. So we can go, okay, 7 people got 0 H1s. Next one, 10 people got 1 H1, so we just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 people got 1 H1. For 2, gonna need 12 of these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now these aren't perfectly lined up. What I would actually do in this case is I'd maybe try to make sure that this would all be perfectly lined up. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of this one. I'm just going to get rid of these few here, and I'll just replace them with there we go. There's about 3 for each bar here, each block. For 3 H1s, 20 people got 3 H1s. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so that's, you can immediately see, just even looking at this, you can see, okay, there's way more of the 3 H1s. And sure, you can see that looking at numbers, but people are kind of very visual thinkers. They much prefer to see things in a visual form. I'm just popping in the 4H1 students. So there's 15 of them. So there we go. 15 here. And again, you can see kind of, the difference between 10 and 15 is very clear when we do out these dots. I'd always try to have the same number of dots in each block. So going up, pretty much the same spacing between them. 5H1s, 10 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 6H1s, 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, 1 here. So each dot here represents 1 student. Now you can also represent these otherwise. You could have done little X's, but we generally do dots for this, okay? So just as homework, can we give a try at page 353, questions 1 through 4. If you do have any questions on this, by the time most of you are watching this, it'll be past Wednesday. So you can start contacting me then, okay? So thank you very much, girls. Have a lovely, lovely day.